Hey, Vacation Kitty here, doing another room tour of the Planet Hollywood Resort and Casino in Las Vegas. This is the Ultra Resort Vista room, 12th floor, number 1232. So let's go in. So when you first come in, here is double doors into the bathroom. Let me just say, this room is ginormous, really, really big. So there's a really big lobby. And this bathroom is just absolutely beautiful, especially for a hotel. It's huge. So there's two vanities. So there's one over here. And here are the amenities. Same as all Caesar resorts. They're always the same, kind of themed for the property, but it's probably the same. Then here's a big walk-in shower. And a nice soaking tub. And over here is the restroom, so it's separated. And then here's another vanity. So that's so nice. When you have multiple people trying to get ready, there is plenty of space. So come out the double doors. And here is the cabinet. Let's see. And here's the typical ironing board. It's hard to see, it's kind of dark, but there is an extra drawer and the safe, luggage rack, and then here's a full-length mirror. And then coming in, so there's a seating area, king bed, and this has the entire wall is window of the strip, so it's absolutely gorgeous. The nice thing also about Planet Hollywood is they do have outlets and USB everywhere, so it's really convenient. So here's the seating area, little desk, television. They gave us bottles of water at check-in, which was so nice. And then this is a real big desk. Shelves. Mini fridge, wonderful. And here's the other nightstand again. More USB plugs, outlets. Here's the... And these beds, if you've ever stayed at Planet Hollywood, are so comfortable. They're lovely. So here is of the view. It is January 2020, so you know the flow rider right here is not on because it's really cold outside, and one of the pools is being drained and looks like resurfaced and cleaned, but there is another pool over there that's open. So here's the view. Paris, Caesar's Palace in the back, there's the Bellagio. So this will be gorgeous at night with the fountains. You can see some of the mountains and Cosmo. Gorgeous. We absolutely love it here and they treat us so good. Definitely check out Planet Hollywood when you get a chance. All right, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, let us know what you think, and we'll see you guys very soon.